All right. Hello, everyone. Kajal this side. Those of you watching, today we have Akash with us. Akash joined our e-commerce program 3 months back, and he has already done 2 lakh plus in sales and 330 plus orders you have delivered, right? So, first of all, congratulations, Akash. Let's get
Thank you.
started. Yeah.
Thank you
Yeah.
so much, Kajal, for having me on with you.
Yeah.
And first of all, I just wanted to thanks e-commerce community or Nishkar, Shishan, and all the coaches that who supported me throughout my journey so far. So
Yeah.
that's the
The
best investment that I have made so far.
Thank you so much. These are the people, people like you actually get motivate us when we see results. Tabhi, we are able to give our best as well. Yeah. All right. So, Akash, from where are you and what do you do?
So I'm from Faridabad. That's in Delhi NCR. So
All
it's
right.
been 15 years that I moved out from my village to Faridabad.
All
So
right.
currently, I'm working, in a private company in a corporate world from last 13 years now.
Okay. All
So I'm
right.
into sales and marketing from last almost 10 years now.
All right. Sales and marketing, it's quite opposite from the e-commerce journey, right?
Yes,
So,
it
how
is.
it
It
got
is.
started?
So see, it's been almost like 10 plus years, being into the corporate world. So, and I'm fed up with this 9 to 5 shifts and all. So now I just wanted to start something for my own. And, I was watching all these YouTube videos and I was following Nishkars from quite a long time now. It's been more than 6 months I was following him. I was seeing his videos. It gives me so much of motivations. So that's the reason, I thought I'll just, invest something for my learning. So that's
Okay.
how I invested just to learn, how this drop shipping works. And when I joined the program, I watched all the, videos that is there in the modules, and I attended all, weekly calls that we have. So the best part is that we have 5 weekly calls. Monday to Friday, you can attend all 5 calls, and you can get more clarity out, about this drop shipping business.
Yeah.
So that's how I started. For first 15 days, I was just focusing on the learnings. कि क्या होता है, कैसे होता है, actually it will work or not. That was just those questions was coming into my mind. But the reason I joined the e-commerce program is just to enhance my learning. कि अगर मैं नहीं भी करूंगा तो at least I can get some learning out of it.
Yeah.
So that's why I invested that money, and I think that's the best investment so far in my last 10 years career. So
That's so good
now I
to
just
know.
really wanted to start something, big for me, for my family.
Yeah, totally understand. All
Yeah.
right. So, as you said, you're already into a job, and were you able to manage your time with drop shipping business as
So
well?
last 3 महीने से क्या हो रहा था? See, I was actually, in the notice period in my previous organization.
Okay,
So I fully dedicated all my 3 months not to my job, just for the drop shipping.
got
नो
it.
कि कैसे करना है इसको. और आई स्टार्टेड drastically. I thought कि I'll just put all my 8 hours not to my job, just to for this business,
Okay,
and I did the same. But now from last 15 days, I changed my job. I'm working somewhere in a new company. I'm not able to give all 8 hours a day now, but I'm at least giving at least 2 to 3 hours, either in
okay,
the morning or in the evening. I'm just putting all at least 2 to 3 hours time for this,
okay. So,
and testing some new products.
are you still able to manage your business with along with job, right? Like two to
It
three
is,
years?
yeah, 2 to 3 hours, but I'm able to manage. But I think I need to give something more, to this business.
All right, all right.
Yeah.
So Akash, like when you started off with this journey, you were very new to it, right? Like you didn't have this background of e-commerce या फिर ये सब चीजें ads run करना. तो आपको कुछ challenges face करे होंगे आपने. What were those challenges for you?
डेफिनेटली मैंने चैलेंजेस फेस किए थे इनिशियली, बिकॉज मेरे लिए ये सब कुछ नया था.
Mm.
मुझे नहीं पता था कि फेसबुक मेटा एड्स कुछ कुछ नाम की कुछ चीज होती
Yeah.
है. आई वाज नॉट इवन अवेयर अबाउट इट. बट हाँ, वही वीडियोस देखते थे यूट्यूब पे. तो बट इजीली ट्रस्ट नहीं होता था किसी पे भी, नो कि कुछ कर लेते हैं, कुछ स्टार्ट कर लेते हैं. बट व्हेन आई सॉ निष्कर्ष वीडियो ना, तो मतलब मुझे ऐसा कॉन्फिडेंस आया कि यार मतलब देयर इज समथिंग आई कैन एटलीस्ट गिव अ ट्राई.
Correct.
और उसके बाद मेरे को सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज जो आया व्हिच वाज इन द प्रोडक्ट रिसर्च. बिकॉज प्रोडक्ट रिसर्च इज द वन थिंग व्हिच यू नीड टू मोर फोकस्ड ऑन. कि आपको करना ही पड़ेगा. आप ये सोचो कि आज मैं एक प्रोडक्ट टेस्ट कर रहा हूँ, ये विनर विनर हो जाएगा, नहीं होगा। तो आपको
करेक्ट।
प्रोडक्ट टेस्टिंग करनी पड़ेगी। देन हम लोग अभी ऑनलाइन सप्लायर के साथ, जो रूपोसो के साथ हम लोग काम करते हैं, बट उसके अलावा आपको प्राइवेट सप्लायर पे धीरे धीरे मूव करना ही पड़ता है।
करना पड़ेगा,
तो
करेक्ट।
प्राइवेट सप्लायर ढूंढने के लिए, ढूंढना इज अनदर चैलेंज फॉर मी, विच आई एम स्टिल वर्किंग ऑन।
या,
क्योंकि इतना इजी नहीं है कि आपको एक बार में ही कोई अच्छा प्राइवेट सप्लायर मिल जाएगा।
करेक्ट।
एज आई रिमेम्बर ईशान और निष्कर्ष, somebody told in one of the call कि उन्होंने एक बार कुछ इन्वेस्ट किया था एंड सम 10 लाख रुपीस लेके, कोई दैट प्राइवेट सप्लाई वाज रैन अवे,
या।
वो ही वाज नॉट रिस्पोंडिंग टू ईशान्स कॉल आई बिलीव। सो वहां पर थोड़ा सा चैलेंज अभी चल रहा है, because I'm able to, I'm not able to find out a good private supplier. तो एक तो product research and the other one is the private supplier thing. That is the, a little bit challenging for me. But now I think I find out couple of good private suppliers,
ओके।
which is there based out in Delhi itself. I
ओके।
met them personally also, but they are not having, much of the products. But
ओके।
we are working together to,
ओके।
get some good product.
ठीक है।
तो इस
सो
तरीके से।
हाँ, वो एक वही चीज है कि आपको चीजें वर्क करनी पड़ेंगी, ट्राई करनी
या।
पड़ेंगी। इफ यू फील लाइक आप स्टक हो जाओगे अगर सिर्फ
हम्म।
प्रपोजल पे, तो इट विल नॉट
नहीं
वर्क।
होगा। नहीं
इवेंचुअली
होगा।
आपको मूव करना पड़ेगा, एंड दैट आल्सो आई थिंक वी टीच एवरीथिंग इनटू आवर
Yeah,
प्रोग्राम
yeah,
एज वेल, हाउ टू डू दैट।
everything is there in the program, so that's the best part. I always keeps telling myself, just trust the process,
करेक्ट।
and definitely you will get success. Not today, not tomorrow, maybe down the line
इवेंचुअली
3
यू
months, down the
विल,
line
या।
6 months, definitely you will get success.
करेक्ट।
If
सो
you
आई
follow the
थिंक,
steps, definitely you will get it.
हाँ, वही हमेशा लाइक व्हेन आई वाज इवन आई सी शान एंड निष्कर्ष की वीडियो, देयर इज ओनली टू थिंग्स: ट्रस्ट द प्रोसेस एंड सेकंड इज योर माइंडसेट। इट हैज टू
Yes,
बी पॉजिटिव, राइट? एंड देन
yes,
इवेंचुअली
absolutely,
आपको
absolutely.
वो कहीं ना कहीं यू विल रीच टू योर
Yes,
डेस्टिनेशन, टू योर
yes,
प्लान्स
yes.
व्हाट यू हैव
True.
प्लान्ड, राइट? सो
Also, that one
लवली।
more challenge I think I forgot to mention.
हम्म।
मैंने क्या किया था इनिशियली, व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड दिस, आई वाज स्ट्रगलिंग विद द वीडियो एड क्रिएटिव्स. So
या।
what I thought was, because I'm not from that background, right? So what I was thinking is कि यार मैं ना कोई एजेंसी हायर कर लेता हूँ, who can help me out with the video creatives and finding the winner products and all. तो मैंने दो एजेंसीज हायर भी की। पहले एक
ओके।
एजेंसी हायर की, आई पेड देम सम अमाउंट,
ओके।
बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली उनको पैसा देने के बाद दे स्टॉप वर्किंग फॉर मी। मतलब वो एक बार उन्होंने डिस्कशन किया एंड देन दे स्टॉप वर्किंग। सो
अच्छा।
दिस इज
ओके।
जस्ट एन एडवाइस फ्रॉम माय साइड टू पीपल हु इज वाचिंग अस, कि थोड़ा सा इस चीज को सोच समझ के you just invest your money,
करेक्ट।
because I
करेक्ट।
lost almost like more than 10-15,000 rupees just for hiring these companies, but they ran away.
Oh my God. So that's
Hmm.
okay. I think you learned it hard way, but we
Yeah,
already have, we teach these things. So I totally
correct,
understand
correct,
with the
correct.
work and
Yeah,
आपके वो schedule की वजह से we
that just
actually
only for the
search, हाँ,
because of that schedule only, I thought I'll just give
हाँ,
some work to somebody else
with
who can
somebody
work for me.
else. Yeah,
Yeah,
but that's okay. I think we can also into our program we tell recommend करते हैं, तो I think after our call I will actually tell you some people you can
yeah.
get your help
Yeah, yeah.
from them.
Thank
That's
you.
okay.
Yeah.
That's okay. All right. So how many hours अभी आपने बताया अभी आप सिर्फ 2 to 3 hours दे पा रहे हो in the
Yeah.
evening or
Teen,
morning?
yeah,
ठीक
yeah.
है. So, Akash, what's your next milestone? I would say, like you already have
See,
achieved. So,
Abhi,
what are the things going on in your mind?
at this point of time, I crossed almost like 400 orders now. So
Okay.
my next target is at least completing 1,000 orders as soon as possible.
Mm-hmm.
At least the revenue of 10 lakhs. This is my next milestone that I have in my mind.
All
So
right.
once I'll have 10 lakhs revenue, then I'm
Mm.
going to focus on the next target, which will be might be 50 lakhs or 1 CR as soon as possible. So
Definitely, definitely, you will reach that with your, dedication and mindset. Definitely, वो भी achieve होगा, and hopefully
thank you so
we'll
much.
get to talk again and meet personally with you.
We'll
Yeah.
definitely talk about it, and we'll definitely. I really wanted to come again with you on this interview, and
Yeah.
with another milestone when I will achieve.
Yeah, but yeah, keep posting your wins. I haven't seen you.
I will. No, no,
Yeah,
it's been
400 plus
15 days,
orders I haven't seen.
because from last 15 days I'm not much active, so that's why.
Yeah,
So
I know. I totally
yeah,
understand. That's okay. So, Akash, what do you think? What's the best thing you got out of Ecomage?
that's the learning. Learning is the best thing which I got from this program. सी, मैं अगर बात करूं वर्स्ट केस सिनेरियो की, मैं ड्यू टू सम रीजन इफ आई स्टॉप डूइंग दिस ड्रॉप शिपिंग बिजनेस,
Yeah,
but this learning will always be with me,
yeah.
which I learn about this, meta ad strategies, or be it this, website building, चाहे
Mhm.
वो शॉपिफाई पे हमने बिल्ड किया है, विच इज बट किस तरीके से बिल्ड करना है, विच इज देयर इन द प्रोग्राम,
Correct.
और लोगों के साथ कनेक्ट करना, तो there are so many learnings which I got from this program. So that's the best thing which will always be with me, which will help me, somewhere in my career also.
Definitely it will.
Yeah,
So I completely agree. Like, the kind of things, because today's generation, or I would say entire environment, is all about digitalization,
exactly,
e-commerce,
exactly,
right?
true,
And
true,
learning these things, be it meta ads, या drop shipping आप सीख रहे हो, website बनाना सीख रहे हो,
true, true.
creative सीख रहे हो बनाना, everything you are learning into one
आ, आ,
program.
आपको
Yeah.
बताऊं, लास्ट दो क्रिएटिव्स जिसपे मेरे को बहुत अच्छा सेल आया, वो
Hmm.
मैंने खुद बनाए,
Wow.
without knowing anything about the video ad creatives. I created it myself.
You learned
I
it
said
into
I
it.
said यार मेरे को
What
चाहे
you
10 घंटा देना है इसको बनाने के लिए, मेरे को
have.
खुद बनाना है।
And
मैंने
I
चार
think,
बार मिस्टेक
hmm,
किया, उसको फिर वापस करेक्ट किया,
correct,
जब तक वो फाइनल अपडेट बन के नहीं आया ना, तब तक आई वाज जस्ट कीप ऑन वर्किंग ऑन द सेम
working.
थिंग। मैंने पूरा एक दिन उसी पे लगाया कि यही करना है और कुछ नहीं करना आज।
Wow. So I think
तो
जब आप next time बनाओगे creative, it would be easier
that
for
will
you.
be easy, yeah,
हाँ,
true,
because you have
true,
done that. आपने वो देखा,
yes,
सीखा and then implement करा. Rather than
exactly,
you lost the money or trusting some people outside,
yes, yes,
then you
yes,
worked on it. Yeah. So
yes,
that is amazing. That is amazing. And also, as you said, आप जो community से मिले, because we have 2000 plus community members. So I think
yes,
उन
yes,
same mindset
मतलब
लोगों के साथ रहना.
वो
Yeah.
मैं बोल रहा हूँ, दैट्स द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ इकोमैज दिस प्रोग्राम, कि
Yeah.
आपको कुछ भी पूछना है, यू जस्ट नीड टू पुट इट ऑन द कम्युनिटी एंड एन नंबर ऑफ पीपल विल रिप्लाई.
Yeah.
There are so many people who is already done good numbers in the community. They have posted their wins, and they
Yes.
are eager to help whenever I saw, because अगर मैं किसी पे कमेंट नहीं भी कर पाता हूँ, नहीं भी अगर मैं कुछ पोस्ट कर पा रहा हूँ, but I keep on checking it. So I saw there are so many people like Sahil, Gagan, Mamun. There are so many people.
People,
मतलब
yeah.
लोगों का क्वेश्चंस आता है and then immediately they replied back. So they
Very,
are they are they are very much active on it.
very
So
active.
which is a great help from from the community. आपको कुछ सर्च करना है, you just need to search it and you will have n number of answers on it. So
Right.
that's the best part. And another thing is that weekly calls that we have.
Hmm. I
So
think we have,
that's the best part.
yeah, weekly calls. We have like every day, 5 days a
Yeah,
week we have.
every day, Monday to Friday, we have this call, and that's the best part.
Were you able to
Uh,
join it like every call, or you missed it
yeah,
here
yeah,
or there?
not from not last 1 month, तो मतलब जून की अगर आप बात करो तो जून में मैंने शायद एक कॉल मिस करी थी, and
Okay.
in July तो I will not be able to join much of the calls.
Acha. But like you should
बट
see
मेरा
the
3 महीने
recordings
सी,
also.
ये आया, मेरे को जब कुछ लगता है क्या, मैं अब जैसे ड्राइव करके आता हूँ ऑफिस से वापस,
तो फिर
तो
सुन
मैं
लेते हो.
उसमें उसमें कॉल सुन लेता हूँ क्या है
That's
क्या नहीं है, तो
nice.
दैट्स हाउ आई.
Because हमारी कोशिश रहती है हम नेक्स्ट डे तक तो अपलोड कर
नहीं
देते
नहीं है,
हैं
डेफिनेटली
रिकॉर्डिंग्स.
डेफिनेटली डेफिनेटली. और दूसरा, वन मोर थिंग, कि अभी जैसे आपके प्रोग्राम में 3 महीने का आपको वो मिलता है लाइव रिकॉर्डिंग
Yeah.
लाइव कॉल्स के लिए.
Hmm.
But if you keep on active and actively participating in the community, you will have the chance, you can increase it for another 3 months,
Yeah.
which I did, to be very
Yeah.
honest.
I know.
So
Jab
I
I
have
was just
another
seeing
three,
it.
yeah, I have 3 months extension now, so I can get on these calls another 3 months,
Yeah.
which is
Correct.
also extra advantage or extra bonus that I have.
Yeah.
So
So it's just because you were very active, and we
yeah,
always, because why we do it, because we encourage people to be active, to join our live
true,
calls,
true,
to,
true.
post your queries or answer to people so that you are active and आप वो चीज करते रहो.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
the
true.
people who do, we actually give them extension. This is a bonus from our end, just
Yes,
to
yes,
keep you
absolutely,
motivated.
absolutely, absolutely.
All right. All right. So, lastly, Akash, like, what would you like to tell the newcomers or the people who are, still thinking about it? तो
See,
अब क्या एडवाइस उनको दोगे?
मेरा मेरा जो एडवाइस रहेगा, the people who is new to this community, which has already joined, or the people who are in the process of thinking कि यार करना चाहिए कि नहीं करना चाहिए, I think मेरा सिंपल एडवाइस ये रहेगा, just invest this amount to this program for your learning, मतलब that's the best investment you will going to have, for future. So definitely people should, invest that amount for learning, and they should join this program. You guys have all, modules in place, which is very, very much, easy to understand, or very, very clearly Ishan, Nishkarsh, or the whole e-commerce team has, prepared this in a way can anybody can learn this dropshipping business. So,
All
एंड
right.
यार आप एक्सपीरियंस लोगों से सीख रहे हो यहाँ पर, मतलब जो आप खुद सीखोगे, खुद करोगे, फिर फेल होगे, फिर सीखोगे, यू विल हैव दिस, एडवांटेज कि जो लोगों ने किया हुआ है उन्होंने ऑलरेडी करके एक बिजनेस बना के आप लोगों को सिखा रहे हैं वो. So
Correct.
that's the best thing. I think that's the best investment they can make. And I request everybody just stop thinking about it. Just go for it, and start your
That's so nice
e-commerce
of
journey.
you. That's so nice of you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. So Akash, I'm just curious. तो आपने स्टार्टिंग में बोला था you were seeing like आप फॉलो कर रहे थे निष्कर्ष को काफी देर
Yes.
से,
Yes.
right?
Yes. Yes.
So I was just thinking about it right now. Like, did you even try dropshipping before joining our program, or you
No, not at all.
directly
Not at all. Not
enrolled
at all.
and then
Not at
started?
all.
Okay.
Not at all.
Hmm.
एक्चुअली मैं बताता हूँ आपको, मेरा बेटा हुआ था जनवरी 2024. ठीक है.
Okay.
तो मेरी वाइफ वाज वर्किंग अर्लियर,
Okay.
एंड उन्होंने जॉब छोड़ दी थी बिकॉज ऑफ दैट, हमारा फोकस वाज ऑन
Postpartum,
टू बेबी ओनली,
obviously.
राइट.
Yeah.
तो उसके बाद ना, मतलब आई वाज जस्ट थिंकिंग कि यार हम थोड़ा बच्चे को टाइम दें, एंड वाइफ के लिए कुछ ऐसा ढूंढूं जो शी कैन डू इट फ्रॉम वर्क फ्रॉम होम. ठीक है.
Yeah.
तो दैट्स व्हाई आई वाज जस्ट एक्सप्लोरिंग ऑल दोज ऑप्शंस कि मैं अगर जॉब भी करना चाह रहा हूँ, मेरी कंटिन्यू रहेगी, क्योंकि वाइफ के लिए वी कैन, बिकॉज शी इज फ्रॉम द आईटी बैकग्राउंड ओनली.
Okay.
शी इज एन एंड्रॉइड आईओएस डेवलपर.
Wow. That's
तो
nice.
उनको थोड़ा आइडिया है आईटी के बारे में, तो मैं उनके लिए सोच रहा था कि क्या करना चाहिए. दैट्स व्हाई आई वाज जस्ट कीप ऑन सर्चिंग ऑन यूट्यूब एंड इंस्टा एंड ऑल. सो दैट्स हाउ आई केम अप विद द वीडियोस ऑफ निष्कर्ष. तो वहां
Okay.
से थोड़ा सा मैंने उनको थोड़ा फॉलो किया, वाइफ को दिखाया कि यार ये है, एंड देन शी सेड कि यार अगर आपको सही लग रहा है, यू जस्ट स्टार्ट इट. मैं कहा ठीक है, स्टार्ट
आपने
करके
वाइफ
देखते
के
हैं.
लिए ढूंढते ढूंढते you started
And
doing it
I started it.
yourself.
Yeah, yeah.
Alright,
This
she
is
can
how it is.
always do that. She can always learn
Yeah,
it.
yeah, yes,
Yeah,
definitely. Because we have that access of the community. I
yeah.
think she can also learn from it.
That is for the lifetime. Even if your
Yeah, it
live
is.
call and access आपका finish हो भी जाता है, you always have the recordings
Have
and
that
community
recordings. Yeah,
access. Yeah.
true, 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 true.
All right. Lovely talking to you, Akash. Thank you so much for your time. Yeah, I
Thank you
hope
so
to see
much,
you very
Kajal, for
soon
having me.
then.
Yeah, yeah,
All
definitely.
right.
My next goal is also to meet Ishan and Niskars in person. When I achieve
Oh,
something big, I really
yeah,
wanted to meet, because I told this to Ramesh also, or
yeah.
told this to Niskars also कि मेरे को, I just wanted to meet you guys in person.
I
But
know.
उसके लिए मुझे पहले कुछ करना पड़ेगा, then
Correct.
only I can
No,
come
no,
in front of you.
definitely we will
So
plan. Definitely we will plan something big for, you and all other people who are
yeah,
doing
yeah,
amazing into
please.
the community.
Yeah.
I was also seeing your post. You mentioned it once. Let's plan a meetup, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
I was
I
just seeing
mentioned it.
that.
I just posted it कि एक मीटअप कर लेते हैं
कर
दिल्ली में.
लेते हैं हाँ
क्योंकि नॉर्थ वाले लोगों के लिए एक मीटअप हो जाएगा, उससे होता है थोड़ा ना, पीपल विल गेट एक्स्ट्रा मोटिवेशन आउट ऑफ इट कि
no no
आप हम कॉल्स पे
definitely
तो मिल रहे हैं, एक बार
Mm.
फिजिकली वी कैन प्लान समथिंग,
Yeah.
काइंड ऑफ अ इवेंट और समथिंग. सो
No, definitely. Let's hope to meet soon. I'll have a word
यस,
definitely, and maybe soon
या,
we'll do
we'll
that.
do that. Yeah, we'll do that.
All right. Thank you so much, Akash. Yeah.
Thanks,
All right.
thanks,
Bye.
Kajal, for having me. Yeah.